Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to replace words in Google Docs. So this document right here has a lot of deep sea words. I want to replace them all to shallow sea. So all I do is come click on edit here at the top. So if you don't see this menu guys, you are probably in full screen. So what you need to do is just go ahead and press escape on your keyboard. So now you can see the controls, but it's very easy. Come here, click on edit. Click on find and replace. The shortcut is Control plus H. So let's find all the deep sea and replace them with shallow sea. As you can see, I have 13 results. You can go ahead and view them if you would like, but just go ahead and click on replace all. If you want to replace all of them, if you want to replace only one of these, just go ahead and click on replace and you'll see that it has been replaced. Okay, now we only have 12. I'll just go ahead and click on replace all to show you. There we go. Everything here has been changed to shallow sea. So if I search for shallow sea now, you will see we have 13 shallow seas. There you go. Really that easy and simple.